Hey, premium push-up lover, put your hands on the ground, not to show off, but to make yourself stronger. Come on, your bro is teaching you. Step 1. Get into position, stop being shy. Place your hands firmly on the ground, keep your legs and waist straight. Don't move forward until you can hold this position for at least 3 seconds. Step 2. From the lowered position, just move your body up and down. Keep your elbows close to your body. People might think you're doing a chicken dance on the ground, but keep your focus only on the exercise. Step 3. Slow motion push-ups. Go down slowly, bring your chest close to the ground. When coming up, use full strength and rise slowly with control. No cheating. Final step, the real game, use all your strength, bring your chest close to the ground, then push back up. Keep your elbows close to your waist and your body straight. Your face might get distorted, but your body will improve. Now come on, get down and do 20 right now.